So 25 plus 5. Tires are fantastic. 90%. Got an aluminum toolbox here. It's got an extended neck, so you can pull it with a truck that has been lifted, or you can pull it with a standard height pickup. It's 18-inch extension with a brand new spare tire. Got an aluminum toolbox on this side as well. Same story over here. Tires are like brand new. This trailer was stored inside. It's got a set of ramps that go with it. It's going to be folded down into a dovetail, and it can be used as a full 30-foot length. You got a 5-foot dove there and 25 foot of wood deck. It's a 20,000 pound GVW.